Hey folks, this is Nandini, and in this video I'm going to talk about which day of the week you must make your blog posts on your website. Okay, the rationale is simple. You should choose a day that's easy for you, a day where it is convenient and easy for you to think about new ideas and write. And it should be a day, on which you're able to plan and schedule all your writing stuff for the complete week if possible. Of course, you can write like twice a week or thrice a week and choose different days for it, but I would suggest that do it on like a single day in a single shot, so that it's easy for you to kind of use the remaining days to do other things. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing the screen with the mind map, and here I go. So which day of the week must you post new blogs on your website? This is the primary topic, and the answer is Monday mornings. Okay, that's a choice that I've made, not based on the time factor or the traffic factor, or when people are at their peak reading blogs. No, I have not done any of that research for this. I've just come up with a practical answer called Monday morning, preferred time 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And I do have my own tangible reasons for it. Okay, please understand that you may have different reasons to plan your blogs and you can do it in a different way. But according to me, if you do it on Monday mornings, if you spend like 3 to 4 hours on Monday mornings, that's more than enough for you to plan the content for the rest of the week. And here is why. Okay, first of all, Monday is the first day of the work week, when people are well charged up. Okay, like people obviously, although some people don't like Mondays that much, but still the mind is considerably fresh. Why? Because usually in most of the countries, Sunday has been a holiday. Okay, of course in the Middle Eastern countries it's a Friday, Saturday is a holiday, but in most of the countries across the world, Sunday is a holiday. Saturday, Sunday are holidays, and when people get into the office on Mondays, after the rest period, okay, after the resting period, the mind is considerably fresh, and they are well charged up. And if you give them some new content, okay, if that subject is of their interest, then there are more chances they would want to read it. So the first reason is because it's the first day of the work week when people are well charged up. So I feel there's higher possibility people may want to read it. Of course, you may argue that no, it's the first day of the work week, they're very busy, they don't want to read it. Okay, that's also another argument you can make. But let's go with the first one. Okay, that is the first day of the work week and people are well charged up and more willing to assimilate new ideas. Okay, this almost a similar point. Mind is fresh for you as well as the reader to understand and assimilate new ideas, because for you also it's the first day of the work week, unless and until you're working like late night until on the Sundays. Mind is fresh for you as well to start afresh, because it's the first day of the work week. So mind is fresh, and if you can think of new ideas and you can put together everything and assimilate it and come up with qualitative blogs. So likewise, the readers, the person on the other side will also enjoy reading that and will be willing to assimilate new ideas, and maybe more willing to kind of uh, go through the content that you have, share it, like it, comment on it, and so on. So the mind is fresh for you as well as the reader to understand and assimilate new ideas. The second point. The third point is it gets you to plan your writing for the entire week and for scheduling the posts. Okay, like if you have a website that's going to allow you to schedule the posts, it's fantastic, right? Because it's the first day of the week, you can schedule the posts for the rest of the week, right? And you can forget about it. Simple. So the posts will kind of keep getting posted on their own, and if you can automate the process, they will also get posted on other social media platforms, and the promotions will also happen alongside. Of course, if you're not using automation, you'll have to manually copy paste the blog post and then spread the word. But nonetheless, if you post on Mondays, the remaining 6 days you can do other work that you want to do. For example, if you're running ads, you can focus on them. If you're going to do YouTube videos, you can focus on them. Okay, if you're going to do something else on the remaining 6 days, if you want to give more of family time, during the Saturdays, Sundays, you can do it in relaxed manner. If you have a thinking day, you can do that, right? If you have like a one-on-one coaching session with your clients, or your kind of group coaching sessions, or if you want to create video courses, you can do that on the remaining days. So on the first day, if you finish up most of your writing tasks, the rest of the days will be free for you to do other things. So that's a very big benefit if you choose Monday as a starting point. And because writing, as I said, I always keep saying in all my videos, writing is a starting point to become a successful digital entrepreneur. Okay, take my word for it, all those people who have done really well, if you look at their history, if they look at where they started, most of them have been excellent writers, except for those who started with sales. There are two types of people, one who mastered writing and the other who mastered sales. Okay, so the path is always like this, from sales into digital entrepreneurship, or writing into digital entrepreneurship. Look at most of them, I've done a lot of research on this, most of them are authors as well, and they have mastered the art of writing, influence creation, video creation, marketing. So all these skills are all of these skills are a must, and writing is the best starting point for anyone to become a successful digital entrepreneur. Okay, so if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube. If this is on Facebook, please comment below. If you've not yet joined my public Facebook group, join that. If you've not yet joined my public Telegram group, please join that. And if you've not yet attended any of my webinars, you have missed something, really. Trust me. Attend those webinars, attend one of my webinars, okay? I'll be very, very happy to educate you further on blog writing, on different forms of content writing, digital entrepreneurship, and all of that will really help you in choosing whether you want to undergo my courses or not. So I teach a lot of stuff, including different forms of content writing, digital marketing, digital advertising, digital automation, digital okay, digital success, digital mindfulness. Everything to do with digital is being covered in my courses. And apart from that, I am going to come up with a lot of other stuff as well very soon. Okay, so please make sure, if you found this interesting, just post interesting video in the comments below. Okay, and I'll be very happy to serve you further. If you have any new topic that you want me to address, please you know join the Facebook group and post it there, and I'll be very happy. Just post a comment there on any of the posts that I've made, and I'll be very happy to address that topic and speak about it in my channel or wherever the videos are getting posted. Right? Thank you and take care.